Focus right here. See how it just slides? No pressure, just perfection. It's so clean, so quiet. This is your sign to relax your jaw and just watch the magic happen. Pure, relentless satisfaction. For centuries, we've treated our pores like stubborn enemies. Think back to the kashki, Victorian era, or even your grandmother's kitchen, the ritual of the steam towel. We believed that if we could just melt the dirt away with scalding water, our extra skin would finally be pure. People would hover over pots of boiling water, desperately trying to open pores that don't actually have muscles to open or geoclose. We thought that dark spot was soot, coal, or a lack of hygiene. We were scrubbing at the surface while the real story was happening deep underground. Then came the era of the squeeze, the viral loops we see today, the metal loops, the pore strips, the high pressure extractions. It feels like a victory, right? Watching that plug emerge feels like solving a puzzle. But here's the dermatologist's secret: that satisfaction is a trap. When you use steam and not force, you aren't just removing a blackhead, you're often damaging the follicular wall, inviting inflammation, and telling your sebaceous glands to overproduce even more oil to compensate. We've been chasing the symptom, not the source. Let's look at the science. That dark cap you're seeing, it's not dirt from the us seniors outside world. It's a chemical reaction called oxidation. Think of a sliced apple turning brown on the counter. That is exactly what happens when your skin's natural oils, sebum, and dead skin cells, corneocytes, meet the oxygen in the air. It's a traffic jam at the surface of your skin. It's not that your face is dirty, it's that your skin's self cleaning mechanism, the process of keratinization, has hit a glitch. So, how do we break the cycle? We move from extraction to prevention. Instead of steam, we use salicylic acid, a lipophilic molecule that actually dives into the oil to dissolve the glue. Instead of scrubbing, we use retinoids to teach our cells how to shed properly so the jam never starts. The future of skincare isn't a boiling pot of water or a metal tool, it's molecular precision. You don't need to force your skin into submission. You just need to understand the chemistry behind the glow. Stop squeezing, start healing. My